Wow. That's beautiful.
Oh, yeah. Well, you wouldn't know, all right?
Listen, you piece of shit. I've had enough of your fucking attitude,
well, why don't
all right?
you give Marilyn Manson a blowjob, miss? You know, I'm so different. I hate everybody.
Don't judge a
Why
book
don't you
by
clean
its
yourself
cover.
up so you can, you know, make it through a metal detector?
Honey, stop it.
Okay, everyone stop.
I think we should leave it to them. It's their business.
You need to get a new fucking job.
Hey!
Stop it. It's not that easy. There's a recession.
Get off your ass.
Well, I don't see you doing anything productive.
You need a new husband.
Well, at least I can get one.
Bitch!
What the fuck did you just say?
Stop it.
Don't talk to women like that.
Stop it.
You
Stop it.
You
Stop it.
SOB.
Stop it.
Fuck you!
Stop
Damn it!
Stop it.
Everyone
Stop it.
stop!
Stop
You
it.
people are crazy.
You're a freak.
stop
and
it.
you're a bitch.
Stop
and
it.
you.
Stop it.
You're fat.
Stop it.
Fuck.
You're an ass.
Oh, yeah? Well, you can kiss it, pal.
There's
How do you like that?
no fighting in this room! Everyone stop yelling!
Better yet, why don't you come over here and knock me down on the snotty end of my fucking
deal.
Get to know myself, and now everybody's losing.
Stop yelling!
And you, fat boy.
Stop it.
The shit on my fucking shoe.
Stop it!
Stop it.
Stop!
SOB.
If I wanted any more comeback from you, I'd wipe it from your frickin' ass cheeks, okay, pal?
What did you do that for?
I thought I'd snap him out of it.
There is no fighting in this room!
Sit down. What? What are you all staring at? I mean, look at us. How is this helping us meet people? I haven't learned a goddamn thing here tonight. I mean, you guys all came here expecting to learn how to meet people and make friends, but you've done nothing but bitch and whine about each other. I mean, take a look at yourselves, for Christ's sakes. I don't need her to tell me how to meet people or make friends. You just gotta take a risk. It doesn't matter if you're right or wrong or what happens. I mean, you just gotta quit being so damn static. What are you afraid of? I mean, that's what I'm talking about. I mean, you just gotta start living your life before... Oh, you decide your step! Come
And they were all just sitting there, laughing at me.
And how did that make you feel?
I can't wait for long. I'm
surrounded by people I don't even know, but where did I go wrong? Our symmetrical differences lead me to think that I was hurt by something that was said, a silly quick altercation, but that situation stuck inside my head. I'm beginning to think that they'd had a hand in this. I ran into an old friend just yesterday. A sentimental handshake, and we were on our way. But he seems so much different now. I just gotta wonder how. Why am I so sad? I take a look at my life and think, God, it really doesn't seem so bad. Maybe I can move on now, it won't be long now. Open up and look around you. It comes and goes much faster. If you look enough, you're bound to stumble on an answer. Open up and look beside you, imparting such sweet sorrow. Take a chance and you just might have a better day tomorrow. Open up and look around you. It comes and goes much faster. If you look enough, you're bound to stumble on an answer. Open up and